How to enable assistive reader in Kindle. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can enable this feature. First of all, open the application. Now here, you can select any of the book that you want to read. So here I'm tapping on one. So this book has been opened. Now simply double tap on it. Now here on the right top, you can see this AA icon. Tap on this AA icon. Here there are different options and tools available. Simply tap on this more icon. Now in this first section, you'll be able to see Assistive reader, so make sure you tap it on. So it automatically changes the text to speech. So it is a very great feature for the ones who get confused while reading. It is also a way of knowing the definition and easily finding out what its meaning is. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video will help you.